Hello everyone, and welcome in IceWarp tutorial. This time we will have a look to permissions and how to share a folder or items in IceWarp EPOS web client. So let's get started. Well, the most frequently shared part within IceWarp is a calendar. So let's start here. You go to your web client and its calendar, expand the folder list, and now select the calendar you'd like to share. Right click and go with Share Folder. Once you share a folder, that means that you may get access to a list of users who already have access to your calendar, or you can also add a new one. So in my case, I need to create a new attendee or new user who will get access to my calendar, and that is a James Townsend. There you go. The most important thing is a permission. So let's have a look what those permissions means. Well, we have a list of quite a lot of them. Read means that it's just for reading the items, Author means that such a user can create new calendar invitations or calendar, events, but can't edit the items already created by someone else. Write means that such a user can create new as well as edit items already created by someone else. All means that such a user will have full access to all items, including delete write, but can't really assign a new permission, so can't really reshare your calendar to someone else. Full is pretty much the same as all, but can assign new permissions to other people. So, and of course, none means such a user wouldn't have any access to your calendar. So I'll go with read, because that's pretty much it, and click OK. There we go. Now, what's happening on the backstage? Actually, IceWarp will send to James an invitation to my calendar. So James will get notified about it. I have just shared my calendar with him, and he will have to click to open my calendar or subscribe to the calendar in order to see such calendars in his calendar. How it will look like from the James perspective? Well, he will see his own calendars, and there you go, there is a shared group, and here he will see my calendar as well. So this is how it's working, and the same style of sharing is suitable for almost every other entity in IceWarp. So you can go either in your inbox and like to share this one, well, go. You can just right click to an inbox, go with share, and there we go. Exactly the same dialog is available here as well. Now, if you are about to create a delegate rights, meaning that someone would be able, during your holidays, for example, or once you will be out of the office, send an email by your name, sort of on behalf of, then you will have to add him a right. That means this type of permission will allow such a person to create a delegate alias of your account in his account, and would be then able to send messages on behalf of you during your out of the office stage. Well, so those were sharing the folders. And now how to share an item. Well, in case you'd like to share an item, you just go to your files and documents, and here you can decide what kind of file you'd like to share. And either hit a share button here on top right corner, or again, there is also this button right here within the list, or you can also go with right click and share to real-time collaboration. Everything ends up in the same dialog, despite this menu. Once you click to share, it will create a link automatically on the background, and you can just click to copy the link, and there you go, you're ready to go. Or you can of course go with sharing options and now decide what those permissions will look like. So of course, I'm going to share with others the document, and I allow the others to edit the document. And now it's up to you, whether to use the link expiration as well as the password protection, and then just select which channel you like to share this file with. Whether you will send it by email, get a shareable link and post it in instant messaging, for example, or share it to your team chat. That is just up to you. Now, again, as a result, well, the result wouldn't really be, because you are sharing just an item, so result wouldn't really be that you will see here as the recipient of such a shared item, you wouldn't see shared folder, yeah. But you will get an email saying to you that you just have been granted access to this file, and there will be a link to access the file. Yeah, so this is how it works. Also on the backstage, the thing is that this file will remain on your account solely. Yeah, it wouldn't be copied to any other folder of other user. You can also share such file to even external people. Yeah, it's not limited to just IceWarp users. You can send it out anywhere. And thanks to IceWarp EPOS new feature tracking, you'll be also able to have a look whether someone already accessed this file or not yet. Yeah, so this one hasn't been accessed so far. In case you'd like to stop the sharing, you can either go to the settings of the sharing and remove it, or revoke the link, which will make the file inaccessible again. So that's pretty much it. How to share in IceWarp. See you on another video.